हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू विजन अकेडमी। सो देखिए, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है फॉर ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स आउट देयर फॉर द सीयूईटी यूजी एग्जामिनेशन। तो रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट्स जो कि 30th ऑफ द जनवरी था उसको एक्सटेंड किया गया है अंटिल 4th ऑफ February 2026 के लिए। So if you have in case missed out the registration for the CUET UG, so you can still register yourself for the CUET UG, and the registration lines have been extended. The revised dates have been released. That is the 4th of February तक आप इसके लिए register कर सकते हैं. And also the payment for the same can be made until the 7th of the February. Correction windows जो है उसका भी यहाँ पे timeline को थोड़ा सा extend किया गया है. That will be now from the 9th of February to 11th of February, जो कि previously 2nd to the 4th था, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे that is 9th to the 11th. So in case you have missed out the CUET UG registrations, so please go ahead and check out the website. You can still register yourself, and the last date of the registration is currently set to 4th of February. Today is the 1st of February. We still have 3 days more to go. So that's a big update for all the candidates out there for the CUET UG. Meet you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.